The influence of money is so significant that it has the potential to shape your destiny, either positively or negatively. Therefore, if you aspire to lead a worry-free life and secure your financial well-being at any point in your journey, it's essential to master the art of handling your finances. At every stage of life, the quest for financial stability is a common pursuit, and here are some key steps that can guide you toward the road to financial freedom. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. We make these videos to help you achieve your financial goals, so please believe me when I tell you we truly want you to join our community. Contrary to common misconceptions, you don't need millions of dollars to make a significant change in your life. Even having a small amount of money can offer numerous advantages, well before you reach a state of wealth. Indeed, taking the first steps to enhance your financial habits, like smart spending and saving, can yield immediate benefits. You can start enjoying the benefits of your money immediately, rather than waiting for decades. Money serves as a tool that exerts a considerable influence on our lives, often in ways we may not fully appreciate. Consider the various ways in which even a modest degree of financial responsibility can completely revolutionize your life. If this doesn't inspire you to improve your financial situation, it's hard to imagine what will. Having savings. Let's take a moment to picture someone who lives from one paycheck to the next, spending their entire income without saving a penny. Initially, you might think of someone earning minimum wage, and while that could indeed be the case, many high-earning individuals find themselves in this situation. Unfortunately, their lives are heavily controlled by the constant need for money because they have none saved up. They can't afford to take a day off, as it would trigger a series of financial problems.
Houston, we have a problem.
Imagine that you've established a strong financial foundation, complete with savings securely stored and an emergency fund. This fund stands firm and ready, serving as a safety net to catch you when unexpected financial challenges arise. Even if you're not wealthy enough to retire, having these savings gives you peace of mind, knowing that you can handle unexpected expenses. Whether it's a sudden medical emergency catching you off guard or an unexpected hefty car repair bill, this financial cushion is there to ease the impact. Even a modest amount of money can make a significant difference, offering you a taste of freedom and the ability to make choices in your life. With a bit of financial flexibility, you're no longer held back by constant financial worries, allowing you to pursue a path that aligns with your desires and dreams. Having good financial resources. Money opens doors to better opportunities and resources. For instance, having a financial safety net makes it easier to invest in education or skill development, enabling you to enhance your qualifications and advance your career. This can result in a higher income and a more satisfying and fulfilling job, whether it involves climbing the corporate ladder or starting your own business. A better career often leads to improved working conditions, reduced stress, and greater job security, all of which can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Financial resources also empower you to create a comfortable and pleasant living environment. You may have the means to move to a neighborhood with better schools, amenities, and safety, or you could renovate your current home to make it more functional and enjoyable. This can lead to a happier and healthier lifestyle. Having money can truly power up both your career and personal development. When you have some financial flexibility, you can make substantial investments in yourself. Consider the possibilities: taking courses, attending workshops, or even switching career paths without the constant worry of bills. Access to these resources can accelerate your professional growth significantly. Moreover, financial stability reduces stress, allowing you to concentrate on your career goals without the burden of financial troubles weighing you down. Having a sense of independence. Money enables you to delve deeper into your passions and interests, whether that involves adopting new hobbies, engaging in sports or creative endeavors, or contributing to the greater good. It grants you the ability to participate in these pursuits. Travel is another area that benefits from having some financial flexibility, allowing you to explore new places long before amassing a substantial fortune. Money also amplifies your sense of independence by providing the freedom to make choices aligned with your values and desires, rather than being limited by financial constraints. Whether it's starting a side business, taking a sabbatical, or pursuing personal projects, having financial resources empowers you to shape your life. In sum, the impact of money on your quality of life extends far beyond the notion of accumulating wealth or waiting for retirement. Even a modest amount of money can offer security, opportunities, and experiences that enhance your overall well-being, enabling you to lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life at every stage. Be debt-free. Achieving freedom from debt is like experiencing a breath of fresh financial air. It's like shedding the weight of a burdensome backpack you've carried for years. Picture the relief of no longer owing money to creditors or constantly fretting over monthly payments.
Things you own end up owning you.
Paying off those lingering student loans or eliminating that hefty $800 car payment can transform the experience of managing your finances. It's a pivotal moment. With little to no debt hanging over your head, you can finally sleep soundly at night, secure in the knowledge that unforeseen expenses won't disrupt your budget. Your paycheck becomes truly yours, no longer just a means to service loans and credit card bills. This newfound financial freedom unlocks a world of opportunities. You can save for that dream vacation, invest in your passions, or kickstart the side hustle you've always envisioned. The stress and anxiety often associated with debt can disappear, leaving you with a profound sense of control and empowerment. In essence, being debt-free isn't merely about money, it's about reclaiming your life, your choices, and your peace of mind. While you may not become a multi-millionaire jet-setting around the globe or vacationing in multiple homes, it doesn't diminish the sense of relief that comes with freedom from debt. Try to invest. Engaging in investment can be incredibly fulfilling in multiple ways. Rather than stashing your money under a mattress, you can make it work for you through intelligent investments. Imagine your money as a collection of seeds, and you're planting them in various pots such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. The beauty of this approach is that you can focus on what truly interests you. The process of researching, selecting, and managing investments deepens your understanding of financial markets and economic trends. Watching your investments flourish over time, whether through dividends, capital appreciation, or rental income, can foster a profound sense of accomplishment and financial empowerment. Moreover, investing often entails setting and achieving long-term goals, and instilling discipline and patience, some of the most valuable life skills. The satisfaction derived from successful investments transcends mere monetary gains. It can boost self-confidence, impart a sense of control over your financial future, and ultimately contribute to a more satisfying and rewarding life. People who have never ventured into investing might not believe how enjoyable it can be. However, it's something you truly grasp once you've experienced the compounding growth of a portfolio. Investors experience an unparalleled sense of satisfaction as they witness their investments expanding, eventually surpassing their primary income. You can give back. Even having a modest sum of money can have a significant impact when it comes to supporting your loved ones and giving back to your community. When you manage your finances wisely, you'll discover a surprising amount of opportunities to make a positive difference. You can be a source of support for family members during challenging times, whether it involves assisting in a crisis or financing education. Additionally, you can contribute to causes and organizations that resonate with your values, whether it's through donations to a local charity, church, or another group. Your financial support can set off a chain reaction, creating positive change and leaving a lasting imprint on the world. It serves as a reminder that even a small financial gesture can have a far-reaching impact, spreading compassion and making a meaningful difference in the lives of others. Whether it's helping children access education, providing healthcare support for aging parents, or contributing to charitable endeavors, money provides the means to create a tangible impact on the lives of others, offering a sense of happiness and satisfaction that surpasses material possessions. Contrary to the notion that one must wait 40 years to enjoy their money, money opens more and more doors with each dollar you earn. As you begin to accumulate wealth, you can enjoy various financial benefits along the way, well before reaching your ultimate financial goals. Money serves as a tool for enhancing our quality of life, reducing stress, and empowering us to make decisions that resonate with our values and goals. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.